In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a message in a Slack channel. Whether you're new to Slack or just looking to organize your channels better, this straightforward process will help you highlight important messages for easy access. First things first, head on over to your Slack workspace. You'll want to start by opening the specific channel where the message you want to pin is located. Make sure you're in the right place, as this will ensure you're pinning the message in the correct channel. This simple yet often overlooked step ensures a smooth process moving forward. Once you're in the desired channel, it's time to find the message that needs to be emphasized. Next, take a moment to scroll through the messages in the channel until you locate the one you want to pin. This might be an announcement, an important deadline, or simply a message you find frequently referenced. Once you've found the message, hover over it. You'll notice various options appear on the right, such as emojis and reactions. What you're looking for is the More Actions icon, which typically looks like 3 horizontal dots. Clicking More Actions will open a drop-down menu with several options. This menu is your gateway to various message management tasks, one of which includes pinning. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to scan through the list and click on the option titled Pin to Channel. This action will effectively anchor the chosen message to the top of the channel, making sure it stays visible regardless of how many new messages are coming in. And there you have it. That message is now pinned, signifying to all channel members its importance. This function is particularly beneficial for keeping project guidelines, event schedules, or important reminders front and center. A pinned message can serve as a quick reference point, reducing the need for everyone to continuously search through the chat history. Remember, only those with permissions to pin messages can do so, and the process is reversible. If at any point the pinned message is no longer relevant or needs to be updated, you can simply unpin it by revisiting the More Actions menu and selecting Unpin from Channel. Pinning messages is a fantastic way to keep your channel organized and your team informed, ensuring important information doesn't get lost in the chat flow. So, next time you need to highlight key information in your Slack channel, you'll know exactly how to pin it effectively. Happy Slacking, and thank you for watching.